right, good afternoon. It's time to talk about week 15. So, this week we are looking at chapter 13 of Asking the Right Questions. This is the last chapter, and it's about what reasonable conclusions are possible. So, it's sort of kind of wrapping everything up for you, where you start thinking, like, based on the evidence and the conclusion and the reasons given, what else would be possible as well. And then I have some things for you to read about the phenomenon of fake news. So you may have seen this in the news that there have been lots of fake news out there, especially surrounding the election. So I'm going to have you do some reading about that as well. So the assignments for this week, there's an assignment for week 15 in which you have some passages which you're going to look at and give me some idea of what other reasonable conclusions are possible, and 2 more annotations for your final project. So this will give you at least, I think that'll mean 4 that I will have looked at and given you feedback on. So should be, at least if you enact the feedback I've given you, then you'll have 4 that are pretty good. It's posted in the week 15 of the content area, and it's due December 5th. This week is a discussion week. The week 16 assignment, again, no quiz. I just have a single thing for you to do, and that's to write a letter to a future student of this class. I'm going to grade this one a little bit differently than I have other things. So as long as you have a document in the folder by the due date, I will give you full credit for the assignment, which is 20 points. I'm not going to look at them till after the semester because I want to look at them and implement some of the things that you guys suggest, or and I also want to, I'll have to package these up a little bit and take your names off of them, everything, but I want to share some of them with students next year when we start the semester. It's due December 12th. I don't think this is an assignment that should take you very long, but so that's kind of why I'm like, okay, this will be something good for the last week. And then let's talk about your final project some more. So it's due Wednesday, 14th of December, and to the assignments folder by midnight. It's worth 200 points. So when I'm giving you feedback, I'm using my stern voice now. When I'm giving you feedback on your annotations, I expect you to listen to read that feedback and incorporate it into your final version of the final project. Okay? I'm doing the feedback so that you can be better at your annotations. The only way you're going to get better at these is if you actually do them. It's key that you remember there are 2 parts, and one of them is the topic overview. So some of the questions I've had you answer along the way, like what keywords have you been using, what what was your topic, what's your research question, you're going to have to write a little bit about that as well. Okay, and then you'll have to do 10 annotations. So don't hesitate to ask me questions about this or get additional feedback on things. Okay? All right. That's it.